Welcome to IAM Worldwide Business Presentation. This is Stella Sibulan at isa sa mga mentors na pwedeng makatulong sa iyo dito sa negosyo. Maaaring kaya mo napapanood ang video na ito dahil interested ka sa IAM Worldwide. Or ikaw ay student na naghahanap ng pagkakakitaan habang nag-aaral. Or maaaring ikaw ay isang empleyado dito man sa Pilipinas or nasa ibang bansa na naghahanap ng part-time racket. Or maaaring meron ka ng existing na negosyo at gusto mo pang dagdagan ng iyong asset. Tamang-tama, itong i-discuss ko, perfect para sa'yo. I'm a civil engineer by profession doing this business full-time. So, paano ako napunta sa ganitong negosyo? Meron akong napanood na financial literacy na tinatawag na cash flow quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. Dito, i-discuss na merong 4 na klase ng pinagkukunan ng income ang isang tao. At ito ay tinatawag na employee, self-employed, business, and investor. Sa employment, kung saan ito ang nakalakihan ng karamihan, ipinagpapalit ang oras para sa pera. Dito, kailangan mong magtrabaho ng 8 hours or more, meron kang boss, at fix ang sahod mo depende sa kontrata mo. Ang self-employed naman ay ang mga katulad kong professional na license. Maaaring mas malaki ang kinikita mo, wala kang boss, wala kang working hours, pero kung wala kang project na nakuha, wala ka ring income, kaya hindi siya stable. Ang business naman, nandito ang mga business owners. Merong kapital at merong sistema. They never sell their time, but rather, they use other people's time through hiring them to run up their business. Sa investors naman, money works for you. Kumikita ang pera mo through interest in due time. Mula sa 4 na quadrant na ito, hinati pa ito sa 2 kung saan merong poor side at rich side. Halos 95% ang nasa poor side, kung saan ito ay ang employee at self-employed. Tinawag itong poor side dahil maliit ang chance para makuha ang time and financial freedom, kung saan dito makukuha mo ang iyong big goals at meron ka pa rin continuously flow of income kahit hindi ka na nagtatrabaho. Sa side na ito, may tinatawag na singleness or no work, no pay. Kapag nag-stop ka na magtrabaho, stop na rin ang flow of income. Sa rich side naman, may tinatawag na duplication or law of leverage, kung saan pinapadami nila ang sarili nila sa pamamagitan ng ibang tao. Sa investors naman, kailangan malaki ang kapital mo at hindi mo ito pwedeng galawin in a certain number of years. In short, kailangan malaki ang spare money mo. Ito ang nagpa-realize sa akin kung bakit ako nagsimulang magnegosyo as early as now. Para tumalon from poor side to rich side at para makuha ko rin ang aking mga big goals. Pero ang tanong, anong pwede kong simulang negosyo na merong sistema sa maliit na puhunan? Good news! IAM Worldwide ang sagot para sa'yo. Siguraduhin mong tapusin mo ang video na to para matutunan mo ang detalye ng negosyo at para malaman mo ano ang advantage ng IAM Worldwide sa ibang negosyo. Aside sa maliit na puhunan na pwede mong simulan, ito ay one-time investment na lifetime ng benefits. Maaari mo pa itong ipamana sa mga anak mo or magiging anak mo. No operational expense katulad ng mga traditional business kung saan kailangan mo pang magbayad ng utilities, rent at labor. No territorial boundaries. Lahat market mo kahit nandito ka sa Pilipinas. As of now, we have many business partners all over the world. We also have fast return of investment na later on the third part, mas madidiscuss ko pa. Ang maganda pa dito, this is pandemic-proof business. Dahil pwedeng-pwede kang kumita kahit nasa bahay ka, gamit lang ang internet mo at gadget mo. At the same time, the products that we offer is very timely from this pandemic dahil this is a necessity for our health. Sisimulan ko ang aking presentation by introducing our company. IAM Worldwide is a multi-awarded company but still in a pioneering stage. 3 years pa lang ang company pero we have already expanded in different parts of the Philippines such as Batangas, Cebu, Davao. And all over the world, meron na tayo sa Kuwait, Dubai, and Italy. This company has already created many millionaires, car achievers, and we created another history because we have been televised in a national television. And through It Bulaga, we have celebrated our 3rd-year anniversary. We also have 11 ambassadors, including Manny Pacquiao, kaya hindi na mahirap ipakilala ang produkto at walang problema sa legalities. Our founders, President Allen Marvin Eder, na tubong Davao, and Vice President Aika Lorraine Uy, na tubong Isabela. They are both seasoned networker with 20 years combined of experience in this kind of industry. Ang maganda pa dito, this company is run by a generous and God-fearing founders. Simple lang naman ang I Am Worldwide. Tandaan mo lang ito. We are the home of hope, health, opportunity, prosperity for everyone. Make sure matapos mo ang video na to. This is just the first part of the 3-video presentation. Watch this simple clip from Miss Heart Evangelista para masummarize ano ba ang I Am Worldwide.
Hindi ito showbiz. Let's talk about real life. With all my heart, I tell you this. Success is all about having the right partner. Friends, I recommend to you I Am Worldwide Partnerships. It's established by my friends AM and Aika, and together with Anna, their partnership has made I Am Worldwide one of Southeast Asia's most dynamic companies. You ask, what's their winning formula? I Am Worldwide has a unique one-account policy. Just one single account that you nurture and grow. Dito sa atin, isa lang. Meron din tayong kakaibang bonus programs just for you and Give Me 5. Bawi ng puhunan mo, may dagdag kitang pa. Dito lang yan sa I Am Worldwide. Built on the powerful idea of great partnerships and innovative products. Marami ng umasenso with I Am Worldwide. So many have enjoyed free travel, free cars, free house and lots, and that's on top of the commissions they earn. Amazing? Kaya lang ang ganyan. And most importantly, with the Lord's guidance, we'd be able to help others and our loved ones. With I Am Worldwide, it's partnership and prosperity for a higher purpose. It's time to think big. Think I Am Worldwide as your partner. We'll help you find your purpose and realize your potential. Your one amazing chance is here. Give it your best shot.